everyone, today we'll have another tutorial on the motion block, and we got to see what we have for today. Today we're going to look at this go to random block. Okay, under this go to random block there is two selections from the drop down list. You can see there is a random positions and there is a mouse pointer. Okay, now we're going to look at these two functions and what is going on with it. Before that, we got to have an event for your character to move around, and let's have it the space key event block. Okay, now let's have the random positions selections first. For this go to random positions block, we have the green flag, and whenever when I press the space bar, right, space key, the character will go to any positions on the panel. Here, you see what happened. You see, when I press the space bar, the character is keep on moving to another locations on the screen. Any locations that is randoms for the X and Y, yeah, it will just move around. Yeah. So and then besides these random positions, we also look into this mouse pointer. Okay, for these functions, right, it is about your mouse pointer. Look at the mouse cursor here. When my mouse cursor will be at this location, when I press the space bar, definitely the character will move to my mouse. You see, ta-da! It moves to the mouse there. Any place that you point, it will move towards the mouse pointer. It won't have any mist. Yeah, it will straight away move to the mouse pointer. Okay, today it is the tutorial for today's lessons, and it is all about go to mouse pointer or the random positions block. Thank you very much, and we see you in the next tutorial again.